Salamat po sa For Life. Salamat po sa inyo.
Kami masayang-masaya po dahil kami may maayos na tirahan na.
Maraming salamat po. Masaya po ako na nagkaroon na po kami ng sariling bahay.
Bagong buhay po for life. Salamat po.
Matagal ng pangarap na magkaroon ng sariling inuuwian yung...
Naku, wala po ako masabi. Sobrang kasiyahan po. Kasi po natupad na din po yung mga pangarap na nagkaroon ng sariling bahay. Yeah!
Sobrang thankful po kay For Life Foundation na binigyan niya kami ng ganitong pamasko.
We are now at Gawad Kalinga Village for the moment that we have all been waiting for, and that is the turnover of 20 houses to 20 deserving families. This day is a testament of hope, hard work, and collective effort. These houses are more than just shelters. They symbolize new beginnings, security, and a brighter future for each family.
Today is a very special day for 20 families because their dreams have come true. Their dreams for a future, a wonderful home for their children, and Foundation for Life has made this possible. We are deeply grateful to our partners, Foundation for Life and its affiliates, for making this dream a possibility for 20 families. These are homeless families. From the bottom of our hearts, maraming salamat po sa inyo, sa inyong pagtangkilik, sa inyong pagmamahal, at sa inyong pagkalinga. Walang iwanan! For Life!
This truly will be the best holidays ever, not only for the 20 families who will be receiving the 20 houses from Foundation for Life and of course from Gawad Kalinga, but also for Life Philippines, because they have given us the gift of gratitude and they have given us the ability to transform the lives of these 20 families. Thank you, Foundation for Life. Thank you to all affiliates, For Life affiliates around the world for making this possible. And most especially, thank you to our dear Bianca Lizenby for planting or leaving in us the seed of service that we continue to grow each day. Thank you, and we will continue to be like Bianca every single day. And to everyone, this is For Life.